Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi subhanallahil azim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome dear students. I'm your teacher Shaheda Chowdhury. Many of you requested for a full tutorial on how you can book lesson with me. In this video, I will walk you step by step on how to book your lesson with me and complete your payment without any confusion. Whether you're paying through Remitly mobile transfer, bank transfer, or Payoneer, or Bikash, I've got you covered. And remember, right now, I'm giving a special up to 70% discount on all lessons, but only for the first 100 students. So let's begin. Step 1. Booking a lesson on the website. First, visit my website shahedachowdhury.com. At the top menu bar, click Book Lesson Now. You will see all the languages and lesson type I teach. Pick the lesson you want. Now, fill out the booking form, your full name, your country, your contact details, your Microsoft Teams email so we can connect for a class, and make sure you're providing all the details correctly. Next, choose lesson hour and the lesson type, single or package. Then your preferred time from Google Calendar. And select your currency. Right now, I'm accepting payment in 8 different currencies for your convenience. Step 2. Creating a Remitly account. If you're new to Remitly, here's how to create your account quickly. Go to remitly.com or download the Remitly app. Click Sign Up, enter your email, create a strong password, and select your country. Add your personal details, link your debit card for sending payments, verify your identity if requested. Now your account is ready and you can send payments instantly. Just follow along the video and you are good to go. If you are booking a single lesson and as well as instant one, the easiest way is Remitly debit card to mobile transfer. Here's how. Log into your Remitly account, select Send Money, choose the recipient country, choose Mobile Money Transfer, enter the mobile details provided in the booking form, just copy and paste correctly. Enter the lesson fee amount, confirm payment using your debit card. And that's it. Step 4. Paying for single or package lessons with Remitly to bank transfer. If you are booking a single lesson or package lesson, you can use Remitly to bank transfer as well. The steps are as easy. Just follow along the video. Log into Remitly, select Send Money, choose recipient country, choose bank transfer, confirm the lesson fee amount, enter the bank account details given in the booking form, copy and paste them correctly. Now check out the all details again and pay with your debit card. Step 5. Paying for package lessons with Payoneer. If you're booking a package lesson, you can definitely pay through Remitly, but as well as you can also pay through Payoneer. If you don't have a Payoneer account yet, here's how to create one. Just follow along the video instruction. To create your Payoneer account, visit Payoneer.com and click Sign Up. Choose Individual Account, fill in your details, your name, email, date of birth, add your address and phone number, set a password and security question, add your bank account details, verify your email and ID if requested. Once approved, you will be ready to send money quickly and safely. Here's how you can send payment. It's super easy. Log into your Payoneer account, click on menu bar, go to Pay and select Make a Payment. Then select Payoneer to Payoneer's recipient transfer. Enter the provided Payoneer email listed in the booking form. Enter the lesson fee and confirm. And if you're from Bangladesh, you can simply book lesson through Bikash. So no matter which payment method you choose, always take a screenshot of your payment receipt, upload it in the Google form directly. Once I receive your payment confirmation, I will confirm your booking and you will get an email notification with your lesson details. And that's it. Super simple. Book your lesson, pick your time, pay with Remitly or Payoneer or Bikash, and you're ready to start learning. Remember, the up to 70% discount is only for the first 100 students. Spots are filling fast, so don't wait. Book your lesson today and let's start this amazing language journey together. This is the moment that counts. Don't wait for later. Every second is an opportunity to start your journey. I will be thrilled to guide you and turn every lesson into a memory you will always love and remember. I can't wait